Hey there! Welcome back to CompareInternet.com. We're here to give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Ziply Fiber, a regional-based provider of both fiber internet and DSL. We're going to go over availability, pricing, speeds, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Let's start with availability. Ziply Fiber now serves customers in a number of northwestern states. Ziply Fiber's goal is to build a lot of fiber, so they're building out more fiber and fast. About 50% of their customers currently have the option to choose fiber. They plan to expand fiber to 80% of their footprint in the next few years. So let's look at Ziply Fiber's pricing. For their first tier fiber plan, you're going to get the lowest price in the industry for your first year. And even after that year, your price will increase, but will still keep you well below the industry average. Overall, you'll save 30 to 40% over the competition with Ziply Fiber's all fiber prices. But some of Ziply Fiber's customers don't yet have access to all fiber internet. If you end up with DSL service, your prices will be higher and your speeds will be slower than with fiber internet. On the plus side, Ziply Fiber has no data caps, so you won't get any overage fees. So overall, we give Ziply Fiber 4 stars for pricing. Fantastic deals on fiber, but not so much on DSL. So let's talk about reliability and performance. Ziply Fiber will give you an incredibly fast all-fiber connection. Fiber customers will get up to 50 gigs of symmetrical upload and download speeds. I'll say that again, 50 gigs. Right now, that's the fastest in the US by far. You can do anything with that kind of connection. 4K high definition streaming, gaming, anything. Does any residential user even need 50 gigs? Well, you never know. But with several other plans above the 1 gig in speed, you'll have plenty of choices in fiber. However, DSL speeds are a bit of a reality check. DSL speed will vary widely. Your connection could be as slow as 10 megabits per second down and 1 megabit per second up. So we give Ziply Fiber 4 stars for reliability and performance. Fiber internet will give you the best results of any internet technology, but DSL just doesn't match up. So go for the all fiber option if you can. Now, let's talk about equipment and installation. Installation for all Ziply Fiber plans is free, whether you order fiber or DSL. That'll save you about $90. Ziply Fiber will supply you with a modem router combo for $10 to $20 a month. If you don't want to pay the fee, you can use your own, just make sure it's compatible. So we give Ziply 4 stars for free installation and flexible equipment fees. Our 4th category is customer support. Like many smaller providers, Ziply Fiber doesn't yet make it onto the national surveys of customer satisfaction, but online reviews for Ziply Fiber show a few issues related to billing and account administration. These issues seem to be common in 2020 and 2021, right after Ziply Fiber launched its service. Because reviews seem to be improving, we're betting these startup issues will be smoothing out in no time. So we award Ziply Fiber 3.5 stars for customer experience and support. We expect their reviews will continue to climb as the company matures. Now, let's finish with a recap of what you're going to get with Ziply Fiber's internet plans. Ziply Fiber earns a solid overall rating of 3.9 stars. You can't go wrong with their all-fiber internet service, which on its own would have earned a rating over 4 stars for sure. But their DSL suffers from some of the limitations of older technology and is much slower. So grab their fiber internet with incredible pricing. But if all you can get is their DSL, take some time to check out your options. To see if Ziply Fiber covers your area, visit our website at CompareInternet.com. We have detailed plans and prices to help you find the best internet provider where you live. And that's the straight talk on Ziply Fiber. Come back and see us for more reviews and info here at CompareInternet.com. See you soon.